I am Balaji B of ECEA. My register number was 71120106011. Now I am going to do a case study on ultrasonic sensor. This is the pictorial representation of ultrasonic sensor. There will be a transmitter and a receiver and so on. What is ultrasonic sensor? An ultrasonic sensor is an electronic device that measures the distance of a target object by emitting ultrasonic sound waves and converts the reflected sound into an electrical signal. Ultrasonic waves travel faster than the speed of audible sound. How ultrasonic sensor works? Ultrasonic sensor work by sending out a sound wave at a frequency above the range of human hearing. The transducer of the sensor act as a microphone to receive and send the ultrasonic sound. Our ultrasonic sensor, like many other, use a single transducer to send a pulse and to receive the echo. The sensor determines the distance to a target by measuring time lapse between the sending and receiving the ultrasonic pulses. Working principle. The working principle of a module is simple. It sends an ultrasonic pulse out at a 40 kHz which travels through the air, and if there is an obstacle or object, it will bounce back to the sensor. By calculating the travel time and the speed of the sound, the distance can be calculated. Principles. Ultrasonic sensors are a great solution for the detection of clear objects. For liquid level measurement applications that use infrared sensors or instance struggle with this particular use case because of target transference. For presence detection, ultrasonic sensor detect object regardless of the color, surface or material, unless the material is very soft like wool, as it won't absorb sound. To detect transparent and other items where optical technologies may fail, ultrasonic sensors are a reliable choice. How are ultrasonic sensors used? Our ultrasonic distance level and proximity sensor are commonly used with microcontroller platforms like Raspberry Pi, ARM, PIC, Arduino, Board, and more. Ultrasonic sensor transmits sound waves towards the target and will determine its distance by measuring the time it took for the related waves to return the receiver. When not use an ultrasonic sensor, in some cases the target object is so small that the reflected ultrasonic signal is insufficient for detection and distance cannot be measured correctly. Using your ultrasonic sensor in the project. This is a pictorial representation. Why use of ultrasonic sensor? Ultrasonic sensor is reliable and it's very accurate in measuring the distance. Ultrasonic sensors are best used in non-contact detection of presence, level, position, distance. Non-contact sensors are also referred to as proximity sensors. Ultrasonics are independent of light, smoke, dust, color, material except for soft. Long range detection of target with varied surface properties. Thank you.